There are so many different ways to pick the strings on the guitar. How do you know which one is best? There's finger picking, chicken picking, economy picking, down picking, up picking, alternate picking. With so many options, it can be confusing. But if you had to choose just one of these to focus on and use 99% of the time, what should it be? Alternate picking. In future lessons that I teach, you should always use alternate picking unless I tell you differently. Eventually, you can add finger picking, chicken picking, economy picking, and down picking to your guitar toolbox. To do this, just alternate between picking down and up. It doesn't matter if you're staying on one string or moving between different strings. Just keep picking down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. With enough time and practice, your right hand will get into a rhythm and you won't even have to think about your picking hand. This leaves more space for your brain to focus on what your fingering hand is doing. And don't worry, you will get lots of alternate picking practice in some of the next lessons.